I'll just tell you that I have created, this this shot. So I am going to pick pick this animation. I'll pick this animation from here. So what I am going to do is I'll pick this animation. This is the animation, and this, I don't need this actually, I just need these things. So I'll just copy those layers and pasted it here. So this is the line, and also I'm going to moving these things in a comp. So I'm going to name it what is the name? Animation. So I'm going to name it video animation. So this is it. Yeah, this is it, but there is a problem. That I am not yeah, got the buttons here. Okay, I have to move this thing as well here. Also I need a shape here. Something like this. Okay, and let's see what is going on here actually. Let's see the animation. This is coming up, and then the ball is moving like this. So I'm going to give the same animation here. Also I am moving all these things to this here, and also this shape I have to animate it, so I am animating it from this point. Scale going a few frames forward, placing key, coming back to the previous frame, and just giving 0 here. So this will look like this. Also I am going to I need a shape here, so just placing it at the top and changing the color of all these layers to orange. So at this point I need a ball, so I am going to creating ball here. Color, need a color, so I am going to pick this color, copying this color, going to the video animation and giving the color to this ball. Oh, I did Control Z, I guess. Yeah. So this is it, and placing the anchor point at the center. And at this point I am going to scale this thing from 0 to 100. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it should be there. Should be 0. And let's see what else is there. I guess it's the timing. That's it. So at this point I'm going to give position to this point. There are 2 drops or just 1 drop? Yeah, it's only 1 drop. So this point, yeah, this is it. Also I'm going to need curves, right? So I am going to pick, yeah, the curves here. And at this point I am moving this thing here also. Also I am going to check the curve. So this one is like this, sorry, and this one should be like this. I'm going to ease these keys. So yeah, this is it. So at this point I am going to give it a scale here, and at this point I need a ruler here first. So that's it. And at this point I'm going to separate all these scales and giving the scale here, and also I'm moving this ball here, and at this point I am copying this piece here. So the animation is look like this. Also I need these images, so for that I am going to let's come into this position first. So at this point I am going to duplicate this layer, moving it down, and position this, and opacity I am giving it 30. Now again I am going to this position, removing the position and giving the opacity of 30. No, this should be 30. Okay, cool. again at this point I'm again duplicating this thing, going to the position and cutting the shape here and giving it opacity of 30. Yeah, again at this point I am again duplicating this thing. Okay, and just doing this, giving the opacity of 30, removing the position as well as the scale. Again at this point I am duplicating this layer, placing it at the top, giving it the opacity of 30 and removing the position. Yeah, this is it. So I am placing it at the top and just have to remove the scale. And this layer should be start from here and this should be start from here. Yeah, cool. Also I need a shape here as well as yeah, so I am going to give a shape. And closing the fill as of now. Actually we don't need fill, and it's something like this, and I have to reduce it like this. And also I need a fill, so I'm going to give a 2% of fill. This is too low, so I'm going to give it a 8%. Yeah, this will work. But at this point there is a problem. So let's see, let's give this as dashes line, and also I have to reduce these dashes to something like this. Okay, also I am reducing the opacity by 50%. Also I'm placing it at the back, and also I'm going to add trim path in it, and the starting position and position, placing the key on and position, and at this point I am giving it 100. So let's see what's going on then. Yeah, also giving the easy ease, so the animation is starting from here, so I'm moving it here. Yeah, it's good. This is it. So I have a empty layer here for textile. Just there is a scale in it, so I'm going to give a this one time code effect in effect and preset. So I'm just placing this preset here and moving this thing at center. We don't need show box, so it should be here. So I guess our animation is almost done. So let's jump to the same layer. Also I am scaling this thing something like this. Yeah, also I need a background here, so I am going to place the background here. Just align these things. Yeah, this is good actually. Also I am going to give this shape should be this shape should be in white color. So the color of the TV is white, so that's why there is a problem is happening. So for that I am just just going to give color like this. So now our TV is visible. Also I'm going to scale my TV a little bit, something like this. Okay, this will work. Also as of now I'll do one thing. I'll just I'm going to parent things here. Okay, and also this thing should be here, and at these points I am going to align it now. So this is the alignment what I want to do there. Okay, this is it. Now this is it. I also need a cup here. So for that I am going to search a coffee cup. This is looking good, so I'll use this one. Okay, extracting file here. Okay, I delete it actually. So I am going to pick this coffee cup and placing it on 600 by 600 shape. Yeah, something like this. Also I am going to decrease the shadow, decrease the shadow of this to 30, maybe 20%. Will fine. Also I am going to cut this shape and placing it in a different layer and saving it by coffee cup. Yeah, this time I didn't take any mistakes writing coffee. This is it. Now I'll again jump back to the After Effect and I'll import the coffee cup here. Yeah, this is our coffee, and I am going to try something here. This point, something like this. This is it. Also, I'm going to open this shape. Where is it actually? I have seen something. I have seen some new options here, na? Yeah, tapper. This is the option. Okay. So inside tapper. Yeah. This is good actually. Yeah, this is it. So also I am going to give it a trim path over here. So trim path, the starting point should be here. I am going to place keys in both the start and also I'm going to cut off the fill. So going to few frame forward, something here, and I am going to give it 100 and replace it here. So this should be slow. So here this will work. Also the color, I have to change the color, so I am changing the color to something like this, and also yeah, down the opacity, something like this. So it should be, yeah, this is good. Also I'm going to give a blur effect in it. So where's the radial? Sorry, we don't need radial blur. I'll give the Gaussian blur. And also scaling up the this is it. Also I'm going to give this thing here as well and placing it something like this. Okay. Also I am going to place the keys here, and I need a key here and also a key here as well, because I am going to give a loop expression here. So this thing, pasting the loopOut expression. So let's see. Yeah, that's good. So going to our previous file, previous comp, and where is our coffee cup? Yeah, this is our coffee cup, and placing this coffee cup here and also parenting this coffee cup with the shape. Where is our cup actually? Okay, I'm not able to see my coffee man. Let's see what's going on actually. Okay, this is our coffee. I'm going to scale it down, placing it here, placing this cup here. Okay, this is it. Also, there is an animation to create it. Yeah, this is an animation we have to create actually. So for this, I need So for this, I am going to taking a shape. This is it. I'm going to give it a 16, sorry. And now I'm placing it like here. Okay. And at this point, I'm going to scale it. So, anchor point should be at the center, scaling it down here, giving the scale to this position. Yeah, the scale should be like this. And also reducing the opacity 50%. I'm going to this point and reduce it to 0. Okay, this is it.